Lex, do you have anything to say?
Well, you know, just out here trying to catch some biggins.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe some groupers.
Mm-hmm.
You never know.
Yeah. Not here, that's too shallow. I mean, move on. We have a dilemma. Just wait for it to come here, yeah. Hopefully it doesn't curve off to the side. Oh. No. You got it?
No.
Oh, thank God. Now, wait, throw it. Throw it to me.
Hold on now, just a minute.
Alright, let me throw it better this time. Or you threw it bad, boss. Please, please, please. Yes! Alright. Let's go. You can do it. I believe in you, Lex.
Hopefully this doesn't break.
It won't. Boom.
Jack Keys trying to cross a 5-foot river. Uh-oh. Light work! Oh, nice.
I need to get it done. Jack.
The branch is really pissing me off.
It's an obstacle.
I know.
Let me record it before we leave. There's a little cabin over there, and we are leaving because we heard what sounded like homeless people, and we can't catch a fish. So this is a very unsuccessful day. Normally this creek, you know, isn't the best stop. Come back. Well, normally this creek isn't the best fishing, but today was even worse. So bye-bye.